Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and my kitchen. Today we're going to be making pre-cooked saag, which is spinach. So a lot of people ask me, because spinach has a very short shelf life. They ask me what brand you use, how do you do it, how do you use it. So I'm just going to go through the step-by-step process. So spinach we put in, if we put in anything, so your sagaloo, chicken saag, anything that has spinach in will be this pre-cooked spinach. Now you don't need to pre-cook it if you're at home, but I'm going to show you both kind of methods on how to do it, so you can kind of, maybe pre-cook it and then freeze it if you want, or use it. So it's kind of already pretty much, unlike restaurants, you're kind of speeding up the process. So guys, don't forget to give me a like, drop me a comment if you're unsure of anything. Try my best to answer it. Please subscribe, hit that bell as well. You get all my videos. There's a lot of people I'm helping at the moment. So yeah, let's get cooking pre-cooked saag. So, okay guys, so we use this Ardo. We found that to be the best spinach, ARDO. So we get a box of these at a time, which is 6. That's 2,500 grams. Not sure if you're gonna need that much, but you can always put it in the freezer. Take a little bit out at a time. We obviously just get a couple of blocks or one block out at a time, depending on how much we have. So Ardo, we found the best. Ardo, frozen spinach. Keep it in, as I say, spinach has a very short shelf life. So we just tend to try and, get frozen ones. You can use fresh ones, I believe. You just kind of replace it with that one. So yeah, Ardo, there we have it. Okay, so we've defrosted the spinach now. What you want to do is we put it in kind of balls like this, and then we just kind of squeeze out the excess water left. As you can see, there's quite a lot of water left. We'll just do a couple of balls like that. So you've got three balls. I'm just doing a demo, so I'm not going to do all of them. And then what we then do is we just cut it. Most, if not all, curry houses use frozen spinaches to do all their sagaloo and everything like that. So just going to cut it in squares. Did you see I just went across, and then I'm going vertically to cut it in smaller pieces. Just going to do that across. Cut that. Okay guys, so we've chopped up our spinach. It's not a full block there. I think that's probably around sort of about 60 grams, I think, something like that, 60, 70 grams. So we're then going to add some oil. So you've got about 7, 8 teaspoons of oil in there. Okay, so we've just got a little bit of oil in there. And then you just want to add probably about 1 clove of oil. 1 clove of garlic, chopped garlic. And you've got to be very careful it doesn't burn it. So that's already starting to burn quickly. Then I've got about 1 onion chopped up straight in. I've taken it off the burner because the oil is quite hot. You've got to be very careful. As you know, garlic cooks very quickly. One method to stop it cooking quickly is you can add salt. We need to add salt anyway. So I'd say about half or 3/4 teaspoon of salt in there. And you want the onion slowly to caramelize. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit, as long as it's not too burnt, the garlic, they're a bit brown, it doesn't matter. And then, so the onions caramelized, we gave it a couple of minutes. Just want to add a little bit of turmeric. It's very important you add all this before you put the saag. If you put the saag, then you put the turmeric, it doesn't mix very well. So leave it on low gas so it doesn't burn the spice on the non-stick pan. And that's pretty much ready for now the spinach to go in. This is, as I mentioned, it's pre-cooked for us to put in our curries or sagaloo. Obviously, we need to be faster in serving out. That is actually ready to eat. Now, it's got everything in there that you need that would go in. You know, what we'll do on service would probably, like a sagaloo, would add ghee at the end. We add our mixed powder, our desi style mixed powder as well. You don't really need to do that. Some places do actually, they just put in the just hot turmeric instead of the desi style mixed powder. I'll explain that more in my sagaloo video. Also, we don't put ghee in now because if somebody says, I want a sagaloo vegan, then we just don't add the ghee on the service stage. So I hope this makes sense. Please drop me a line if it doesn't make sense. I'll try and explain it a little bit more clearly. So if you did make it for, you want to eat it from scratch, you'll probably cook it for a little bit longer. As I say, mine's pre-cooked, it's going to get cooked again. And that's pretty much done. Can you see the onions have caramelized, obviously the garlic's being there, the spinach is coated in these spices, and then that's ready, that's pre-cooked saag. As mentioned, you can eat that straight away, that's pretty much ready. So you have it, pre-cooked saag.